Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
We will set up a single canonical dev container as the only way for development. Install Docker Engine 20, 10 or later on your machine, and enable WSL2 if using Windows. Install Visual Studio Code and add the dev container's extension version 1, 0 or later. Create a project folder and open it in VS Code. Ensure you have Git and the exact language runtime installed locally for consistency. Follow this script step by step to achieve a reproducible environment. Create a dev container folder in your project root and add dev container, JSON and Docker file. In the Docker file, base the image on Ubuntu 22.04 and install Node 18 and Python 3.10. Add exact package versions and lock files to ensure reproducibility. In dev container, JSON, set the build context to the repository root and reference the local Docker file. Configure forwarded ports to include 3000 and set remote user to vscode. Commit these files to Git as part of the canonical development setup. In Visual Studio Code, choose Reopen in Container to trigger the build and start sequence. The first build will run Dockerfile steps and install system packages and runtimes. Inside the container, run npm install or pip install to populate node modules or create a venv. Use Docker Compose when multiple services are required and reference the same Docker file to keep a single source of truth. Allocate sufficient resources, for example 5 GB RAM, and persist workspace settings in dev container. JSON to standardize workflows.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.